Is your Android phone stuck restarting again and again and not reaching the home screen? Don't worry, this is called a boot loop, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself without losing your data. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest step-by-step fixes. Before we begin, follow these steps in order. Don't jump straight to factory reset, because that will erase everything on your phone. Also, if your phone feels hot, stop and let it cool down first. Step 1. Force restart. Let's start with the easiest and safest fix, a force restart. Press and hold the power button and volume down button together for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until the phone restarts. This helps clear temporary system glitches caused by updates. If your phone starts normally, great, you're done. If it goes back into the loop, move to the next step. Step 2. Check overheating. Now check if your phone feels warm or hot. If it does, don't keep restarting it repeatedly. Turn it off and let it cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. Overheating can make the problem worse. Once it cools down, try turning it on again. Step 3. Safe mode. Next, we'll check if a third-party app is causing the issue using safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Then tap and hold restart until you see the safe mode option. Tap. OK, your phone will restart in safe mode. You'll see safe mode on the screen. In this mode, only system apps are running. If your phone works normally here, a recently installed app is likely the problem. Uninstall any apps you installed just before the issue started. Step 4. Recovery mode. If safe mode doesn't solve it, we'll use recovery mode. Turn your phone off completely. Now press and hold the power button and volume up button together. Keep holding until the recovery screen appears. Use the volume buttons to move through options and the power button to select. Step 5. Wipe cache partition. Now select Wipe Cache Partition. This step is safe and will not delete your personal data. It removes temporary system files that may be corrupted after the update. Once it's done, select Reboot System now. In many cases, this step fixes the issue. Step 6. Factory reset. Last option. If your phone is still stuck, the last option is a factory reset. Be careful, this will erase all your data. Only do this if nothing else works. In recovery mode, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Confirm your choice and wait for the process to complete. Then select Reboot System now. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't keep force restarting repeatedly. Don't install random fix apps. And don't interrupt system updates. If this video helped you fix your phone, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.